Ya yebo Jeys uhamba njani Lumesi?
Ngiyaphila kunjani ku?
Mina sharp. Mina kunjeni kanti ngizotha ule album entsha ufuna ukuyilontsha.
Yes.
Akusitshele ngayo.
Mhlaka 19 October. Jansi 2024. Yeah, 2024. Kobulawa kontutu ziyathunqa komfazi oshaya indoda. Kuyabe kumnandi ngendlela emangalisayo Academy of Music. Lapha enzabe celebrate i-34 years yami in the music industry. Kuzaba mnandi kakhulu ngoba kulama musicians amanengi
ajangobani
Steve Dyer from South Africa, we are all the way from South Africa. Steve Dyer, I have Umbewu from Harare, I have Pastor Barak, I have Zol 7, I have Tandidlana. Kuzaba mnandi lama teacher akhona phana ekuzeni iband ye music academy. So ngimusa wonke umuntu ukuthi abuye mhlaka 19 I mean to say
19 October.
19 October.
Alright, ibizo le album uthambani?
Ibizo le album kuthiwa Inkemenkeme. Indaba enkulu isindaba phenduka.
Why ukhethe ibizo elinje kahle?
Ngikhethile ibizo elinje because ngifuna abantu bacabanga ukuthi Inkemenkeme kuyini. So Inkemenkeme kumele bazoyibona mhlaka 19 October bezokuzwa album entsha. So mina ngithatha isikhathi esithi release an album, ngicela ukurecorda release album ngo-2022. So this is my 11th album engirelease kathesi ngo-2024.
Ile ngoma ezingaki?
Ile ngoma ezingu-10. So sesiqedile konke, mixing, mastering, album is ready. Kuzabe kulama USB, abantu bethenga ama USB.
Vele imumethi ingoma.
Yeah.
Imumethi ingoma ezingaziphi?
Kule ngoma ezimnandi kakhulu. I don't want ukuthi inhle preempt, inhle ngitshela abantu ukuthi abantu ababuye mhlaka 19 bazobukela album bakwathi Jeys Marabini is a serious musician, dedicated musician. My sithi yenza into yakho yayenza into yakho. So the album is amazing, mature album. Abantu ababuye ngobunengi bazosekela celebrate. The show is called Friends of Jeys Marabini in concert. So let us celebrate corner. At the same time, I'm launching my new album. So I'm looking forward to see a lot of people coming to support me. Joel Lama being here in the music industry. Because okuzwa nje imbali yami ukuthi ngifike njani 34 years in the music industry. Inspire abantu abangakanani lamanye musicians, and I've worked with different musicians. So yeah, I'm inviting everyone to come. As long as you are, please make a date with us 19 October.